Hello, everyone. This is Dee Rondinella, Coordinator of Technology Training for the Stark County District Library. Today, I wanted to show you OneDrive. OneDrive is Microsoft's free access point into its Office suite and storage area. To find OneDrive, there's two ways. You can go into the address bar and you can type in OneDrive, or you can type into your web browser's keyword search option. I'm just going to come up to the address bar and I'm going to type in OneDrive login. If you make it two words rather than one word, it's okay. It's still going to take you to the correct place. When I click on it, it's going to come through with a list of options, and mine is right here on the front. You can see it, but you also have login for 365, and that is two different things. So make sure that you are into your OneDrive option. When you click on it, it's going to ask you to sign in. You do not have to have a Microsoft account or purchase any Microsoft Office products in order to set up an account. There is an option called Create One for Free. When you click on it, it's going to ask you an email and a password and some other basic information. You do not have to have a Microsoft Outlook account in order to sign up. You can use Google, Yahoo, or any of the free email that's out there. I'm going to go ahead and put mine in there. And when I click on Next, it will ask me for the password that I have already established. If you want to, you can check a box that says Keep Me Signed In, and that will always have you logged in when you go to open up your OneDrive account. Click on Sign In, and there I'm into my files. I'm going to take a moment. I'm going to show you the window real quick, and then I'm going to show you where your free Microsoft Office Suite products are. When you look across the top here on the big blue bar, you're going to see that it does have the little box, and that is your application launch. This is your OneDrive home. So wherever you're at, if you click on that, you'll be taken back to the home. You have your settings down in this area and your account information. The second row has a search option that you can search your files. You have a new option for your documents or files, or you can even do inside of your Excel, PowerPoint. Upload means you can take a document off of your computer and you can load it into your OneDrive account. You can sort your items. You can choose how you want them to look when they open, and you have information there that you can get as well. Coming back over to the left-hand side of the screen, you're going to discover that you have a navigation bar that lists all your files, the things you've worked on recently, your photo area, your shared, because this is a collaborative tool and you can share it and there's no cost to that, and your recycle bin, in other words, your trash bin. Down at the bottom, it is a little advertising, and that's the only advertising you actually get from OneDrive, unless someone has tried to tap into your account and they will send a notification to your email. But you can go premium for a cost, but you are given 5 gigabytes of storage. So that's pretty good. And you there also, look, you have an app that you can use as well. Now that you have an overview of what it is that is available, let's look into those products. If I click on the cube up here, you're going to see it takes me into some of the products that I can use. Another resource is right here where it says new. And you can see you can add Word document, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and Forms, which is a survey option, and a plain text document. Any one of these are available for you to use. I'm going to go ahead and just briefly open up Word. I am online. You do have to have the internet for it to work. And there it is. This is Microsoft's free online version of Word, and it has pretty much all of the bells and whistles that the normal, purchased one has. And all of them, you have your menus, you have your actual tabs here, and they're there for you to use. You're going to notice up here at the top. I want to take your eyes up to the top. I have my document, which is opened in one tab, and here's my OneDrive files in the other. So if I click on that, I am taken back automatically to my OneDrive account. This is a free resource by Microsoft, and I hope you do take advantage of it. I've had it since it was first brought to light by Microsoft. If you have any questions, please do not be afraid to ask. You can contact me at trainer@starklibrary.org. And thank you for joining us today.